them time I see must go out from church, you know. Eh. It's a full time, she gotta get a page, you know.
Sure.
I want Paastah. You want to play Jesus. You want to die for your sins.
Are you trying for my life?
Go on, praise God. Live. Yeah.
From your 14, me day in the street, I fend for myself. Sell weed and do some other little juggling stuff. My mother used to juggle. And my little sister, me never want a lifestyle affair, so me have to do what me have to do.
Where are they now?
My mother there in an institution, and my sister.
Look, Sister J. Sister J. You know the good thing about your Lord and Savior is that He forgives. Right? And the mere fact that you have a fresh start, that is also good.
Pastor, me think about that. Me think about that, Pastor. But me do some devil things to make it in another life, yeah. But you say one thing. You say one thing. Me always loyal.
Sister J. Sister J, look at me. Look at me. You have to be gentle with yourself. Alright? Look, it is a process. You know, I think that you were saved to save others.
Pastor.
Gladstone. You can call me Gladstone.
Okay, Gladstone.
I really want to be there for you, Sister J.
Genial. You can call me Genial.
Okay, Janelle. Listen to me. You are here for a reason, and you have a purpose. I want to help you find that purpose. Will you allow me to help you, Janelle?